Hello class, welcome back. For this video lecture, ang pag-uusapan po natin is an overhead rate application pero plant-wide. Alam po kasi ninyo, yung overhead natin yung overhead rates natin na kinukompute, it can be departmental rate, it can be plant-wide rate. Pag sinabi natin na plant-wide, meron lamang po tayong isang overhead rate na ginagamit for the whole company. Okay? Kung babasahin po ninyo itong portion na ito, if only one overhead rate is chosen by a company for the allocation of manufacturing overhead to different jobs, and that is what we call a plant-wide rate. Samantalang later on, pag sinabi naman natin na departmental rate, we are using at least more than one, kasi pag plant-wide isa lang, pag departmental, nakabase tayo sa mga departments. So, maaring iilan yan. Hindi lang yung dalawa, tatlo, or depende. Basta more than one. Okay? But yung departmental rate, bibigyan natin ito ng example sa separate video lecture para nakafocus tayo dito sa plant-wide. Okay? Now, eto meron tayong example. Yung example, yung problem, nandito sa kaliwa. Okay? Yung solution nandito sa kanan. But again, the solution is screenshot, But on the right side, I made an Excel, Excel naman to, sir. Oo. I mean, naka-formula based siya para once you inspected the solution at chinek po ninyo ito at hindi ninyo nasusundan sa ang galing itong mga amounts na nandirito sa solution kasi hindi naman siya comprehensive sa solution, at least we can follow. Assuming a zero-based approach tayo, na totally, or this is my first view of the topic, wala akong idea. So at least kung yun man yung kaso natin, yun yung case ninyo, masusundan nyo po ito because of the explanation and the formula. Okay ba tayo doon? O sige, dito na tayo sa problem. Basahin ko muna ha, para later on, masundan po ninyo kung bakit ganun yung ating solusyon. We have Sunflower Manufacturing Company here, na merong dalawang producing departments, si assembly at saka si finishing. Okay? O, kwentuhan lang natin ito para ma-appreciate ninyo ano yung differences nitong departments. So sa assembly, dito ina-assemble yung produkto. Sa finishing, dito tinatapos, mga final touch. Okay? So yung assembly, ito yung dito talaga natin kino-construct sa linya sa department na ito yung produkto. And then, may mga konting items na lang, finishing touches, that is your finishing department. Okay? Ano ang sabi dito sa problem? Si assembly department daw has significant amount of labor-related overhead. So, masyado siyang labor intensive. Therefore, ano ang ginagamit niya? Eto. Uses direct labor hours as the cost driver. Samantalang si finishing department naman, significant amount of machine-related overhead. Parang yung example natin sa traditional method of allocating overhead, Yung isa based on direct labor hours, yung isa naman based on machine hours. So parang ganun yung kwento. In-apply natin yung machine hours dito sa finishing, yung direct labor hours doon kay assembly. Okay, so ito lang yung sinasabi dito sa first paragraph. The following data are available for Sunflower Manufacturing Company. Siguro nagma-manufacture ito ng sunflower, Sorry, corny ni sir. Next, dito tayo. Manufacturing overhead ko, 1.89 kay assembly, 1.26 kay finishing. Yung direct labor hours ko, 52,000 kay assembly. Direct labor hours yan Yung una, manufacturing overhead. Obvious naman, may peso sign. Itong sumunod, direct labor hours. Hours yung pinag-uusapan natin. 52K versus 20K. And then we have the actual machine hours. 15K and 80,000. We have the actual data. Okay? Please take note. Itong nasa taas ay budgeted data. Budget. Estimates, forecast. Ito, actual. Ang direct material ko daw, which is your DM here, na ginamit per unit ito 120 pesos kay assembly, 50 pesos kay finishing. Pagdating sa direct labor cost per unit, please take note pala, no? Direct labor cost, ito ha. Ang direct labor hour natin, dalawa. But the direct labor cost, in-applyan natin ng hourly rate, no? Which is 37.50. And therefore, 2 times 37.50, magkano yan? Pakilabas po ng inyong mga calculator para makasunod kayo. Sagutan ko na ha. 37.50 times 2, 75. Sa kabila naman, kay finishing, 0.75, 3/4, no? 45 minutes lang yung tinutukoy nitong 0.75 hours. Times 37.50, magkano yan? 28.125. Okay? That is your direct labor cost. Please take note, ito, direct labor cost, assuming ha. Okay, although dito ang sinasabi, ano ang ating cost driver? Direct labor hours. Yung machine time ko per unit is 30 minutes kay assembly, 3 hours kay finishing. And this is understandable. Kasi si finishing is highly dependent sa machineries, no? Kasi significant amount of machine-related overhead. Samantalang kay assembly, understandable yung 75 versus yung 28 na na-compute natin. Ilan yung actual production ko? 25,000. Okay? Anong gagawin natin? We will have to determine the total cost of producing 25,000 units, assuming letter A, which is ito yung scope ng ating video lecture, itong recording na ito, based on Plantwide, no? Based on direct labor, R. At yung sumunod, which will be the cover of the next video recording, is your departmental rates. So ang sasagutan natin dito ay itong letter A, Plantwide rate based on the direct labor R. Kung makikita po ninyo sa solution, hindi lamang po overhead yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, but the total cost. So careful kayo sa problem kung ano yung hinahanap. Kung overhead yung pinag-uusapan natin, overhead rate, edi yun yung compute ninyo. But here, we are solving for the total cost. Ano ba yung total cost natin? Your total manufacturing cost. Ano-ano ba yung component niyan? Your direct materials, your direct labor, and your overhead. So maliwanag ha, ang kinukompute natin total cost, the combination of DMBLOH. Therefore, pag tinignan po ninyo yung ating solution dito, makikita ninyo may mga corresponding amount sila. At take note, another item, we are not only referring to your assembly or to your finishing, but the combination. Because total cost po yung pinag-uusapan natin. So again, careful. Maaring yung tanungin ay DM lang, DL lang, FOH lang. Total cost for assembly lang, or total cost for finishing lang. But here, we are talking of the totality, yung kabuuan. Okay? So, let's solve. Isa-isahin natin. 3,001,250. I cannot verify it here. Wala naman kasing solusyon, walang formula. Class, ganito gawin ninyo. Can you please verify? Pwede po ninyong i-pause yung video na ito, solve for this. Sundan po ninyo ito, no? Papaano ko nakuha yung 3 million? Papaano ko nakuha yung 1,250,000? Papaano ko nakuha yung 1,875, 703, 125? Para at least, pag na-solve mo yan at na-solve mo ng tama, na-trace mo yan, you have some level of comfort na naiintindihan mo yung topic at alam mo kung papaano ito i-compute. Kung sakali man na hindi mo ito ma-compute, okay, it means na kailangan pa ng practice, kailangan ng basa, kailangan ng self-effort para maghanap ng mga problems na related dito. Remember doon sa aking mga actual students or doon sa mga nanonood nito on a side, no? Aside from their prof. Tapos meron kayong libro ni Keen and Rayborn, at least yung PDF, no? You can check it out, no? Paki-check na lang, I forgot the exact chapter. Nakalimutan ko na. But sa mga dulo ng mga chapters, may mga exercises doon. Or baka meron kayong ibang reference book na makakapag-sample kayo dito. And that way, no, you don't need to wait for your professors to give you activities. Okay? You have to make some effort to do your part. Okay? Sige. So, para mas madali I will show you the solution na lang. Assuming tapos ka na solve mo na ito. Can you verify how did we come up with the balances? Okay? Una, sige, ganito na lang, paliwanag ko lang muna. Saan galing yung 3 million? Help me. You may comment down below, If you want, okay lang naman. If hindi. Yung 3 million, saan ang galing? Direct material ito direct material cost. Magkano yung direct material used per unit? Take note if given yung direct material purchases. If given yung direct material used, ano yung gagamitin natin? Yung used, kasi direct material purchases, ang pasok natin nito, ang entrada natin nito ay sa raw materials inventory. Pag used, ito yung pasok sa WIP inventory. Okay, maliwanag yun 120 yung ating direct material used per unit. Anong gagamitin ko? Anong gagawin ko dyan sa 120? Di i-multiply natin. Saan? Sa actual production. Ilan ba yung actual production ko? Ito yon, di ba? 25,000 units. Therefore, 120 times 25,000 units, you will get 3 million. 120 times 25 units, 25,000 units, that is your 3 million. 50 times 25,000, just to check if that is correct, we will get 1.25 million. Pag-adin mo, kung sakaling ang tinatanong what is the total direct material cost, edi ito yung sagot, 4.25. Pero kung yung tinatanong what is the direct material cost for the assembly, ito lang kunin mo. For the finishing, ito lang yung kunin natin. It depends on the question. Kaya mas maganda na kung marami naman tayong time, we solve for the entirety. Para kung sakali man, pagdating sa mga problem solving na multiple questions in one problem. So long problem, maraming questions. You can easily get the figures, yung hinahanap without even doing it all over again. Okay? Kasi 'di ba minsan, for this problem 1 to 5, refer to this problem. Refer to this question. Then, hahanapan ka ng 5 tanong. So, at least, solve ka muna, then you just pick up the amounts, the answers. Okay? Paano naman yung direct labor? Saan galing itong 1,875? 1,875,000. Okay? Sabi dito, ang direct labor cost daw natin per unit ay 2 times 37.50 per hour. Okay? That is 75. That is your direct labor cost. Ilang units ba? Ang units natin ay yung actual, 25,000 units. Therefore, ang mako-compute natin ay 1,875. Ulitin ko lang 2 hours times 37.50 times 25,000, we will get the 1,875. Okay? Ganun din sa kabila, sa finishing. 0.75 hours times 37.50. Okay? That is your 28,125 times 25,000. Makukuha mo itong 703,125. And that is your direct labor cost. Pag inad natin yung dalawa, kung ang sakaling ang tinatanong is what is the total direct labor cost, ito yung pick upin natin. 2,578,125. Okay? Direct labor cost ng finishing. Ito yun, sir. 703,125. Direct labor ng assembly. Sir, anong direct labor? Hours or cost? Ayan, Careful. Kasi baka mamaya, ang tinatanong direct labor hours, ang sinagot natin, direct labor cost. Or vice versa. Okay? So, yan Additional items to consider aside from just simply answering it. Factory overhead. Eto. Dito, di ba, kumukuha tayo ng predetermined rates or yung budgeted rate natin or yung overhead rate. Dito sa baba, makikita ninyo yung solution. Paliwanag ko bakit 1,890 plus 1,260? Sino ba ito? Sir, ito yung numerator. Alam ko. Pero ano yung ating numerator? Pag kumukompute tayo ng overhead rate, 'Di ba? Yun yung ating budgeted overhead cost. Okay? Ano ba yung budgeted cost natin for manufacturing overhead? Ito yun, no? 1,890, 1,260. Pag-adin natin yan, magkano? Kung sakaling tinatanong, what is the total manufacturing overhead? Ang haba-haba ng mga information, ang tinatanong lang pala, total manufacturing overhead. Eh di syempre, pag-adin mo lang yan 1,890 plus yung 1,260, that is 3,150,000. Etong dalawa, no? So, the sum of these two is your what? Numerator. Anong denominator natin? Ano daw ba kasi ang base? We have to identify ano yung base. Although, maaring nalito kayo dito, ano? Kasi nung binasa natin ito, yung assembly daw based on direct labor hours, yung finishing based on machine hours. Pero kasi, ang plant-wide, magmamatter yan later on, ha? Pero here sa problem, ang tinatanong plant-wide. At yung plant-wide natin, ibig sabihin, isang overhead lang tayo, no? Overhead rate. Ang ginamit, direct labor hours. So, ito yung gagamitin lang natin. Ignore muna natin si machine hours. So, 52 plus 20, that is 72. Kaya yun yung ating divisor. So, 3,150, no? Divided by what? 72. Okay? Para makuha ninyo yung 43 pesos and 75 centavos per direct labor hour. Yun na po yung ating overhead rate. And di ngayon, ang gagawin na natin is i-apply na natin ito sa pag-compute ng factory overhead cost ni assembly, ni finishing, at saka nung total. Saan ko kukunin? Will I just simply multiply 43.75 by the 25,000 units? Try natin. 43.75 times 25,000. Anong na-compute ko? Sir, 1,093,000 lang yan. Okay? Tama na ba yan? Tama nga ba yan? Take note ha. And you have to be very careful. Of course, the answer is wrong. Why? Yung assembly, ano ba yung tinutukoy ko na 43.75 times 25,000? I am assuming here your assembly. Or it can also be your finishing. Kasi you will apply it to both departments. Yan yung per direct labor hour mo. Pero syempre, you have to take note that the hours differ depending on the department. Di ba? 2 hours daw tayo per assembly. Therefore, yung 43.75 mo, times mo muna ng 2. Or pwede na natin gamitin yung na-solve natin na 43.75 times 25,000, multiply mo na lang ng 2. Pag minultiply mo yun ng 2, eto na yun. Makukompute mo na itong 2,187,500. And that is your overhead cost for your assembly department. Why? Kasi ang direct labor hours daw natin is 2 per unit. We will have to leverage it gamit itong 2 hours, no? Kasi etong 43.75 per direct labor hour lang. Hindi pwede na idiretso mo na yan times 25,000 kasi for every unit kailangan mo ng 2 oras. Yun yung ating cost driver. Ito yung basis natin 2 hours. Okay? So, kailangan i-multiply ng 2. Otherwise, mamamali tayo. Gaya nun, nakalahati lang. Imbes na yung 2.187, dinivide mo lang to ng diniretso mo lang sa 25K, 50% lang yan. At napiyok pa ako doon. Okay? Sige. Seryoso ko daw So, mapiyok muna tayo. No? Ganun din 43.75. Pag-usapan natin ito sa finishing. Baka ma-finish kayo, hindi yung ating problem. Ilan daw ang kailangan ko dito? 0.75 hours. Di 43.75 times 0.75. Saka mo yan i-multiply doon sa 25,000 units para makuha natin itong 820,312.50. Ito yung overhead ko kay finishing. Ito yung overhead ko kay assembly. Pag ang tinatanong yung combination, yung total overhead cost, that is 3,007,812.50. Ngayon, ano ba yung tinatanong? Total cost. Yung total cost natin, yung total nung DLOH. Etong 9,835,937.50. Maliwanag. Okay? Kung nalilito kayo dyan, nandito yung ating solusyon sa kanan. Okay? You just follow this one. Okay? Etong direct material, 3,001,250. Ito yung formula natin ha. Just to give you a guidance. Paano na-compute itong 3M, itong 1,250. Pagdating sa direct labor, ito no, ito naman yung na-compute natin, 1,875 and 703, 125. Ito yung solution guide natin, this one. And so with your overhead. Yun nga lang class, no, students, makikita po ninyo dito, naglagay ako ng extra. Sir, anong extra? Kasi di ba ang tinatanong sa problem, based on what? Based on machine direct labor hours. What if ang tinanong or yung ginamit na cost driver natin for a plant-wide is based on machine hours? Ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay, na 33.16. Pamalit dito sa 43.75. Alright? Sige. So I hope nasundan ninyo ito class ha. At naging malinaw po ito. If you have any questions and in case man, no, I would like to answer that, no. You may let me know, no, through our if you are my actual student, please let me know. Okay, if you are not my actual student, you can still comment down your question. But no, with my busy schedule, I cannot promise that I can answer it right away. But we'll see, no, pag medyo delay kasi ngayon yung aking pag-check ng mga nasa comments, no, in case merong questions. But I'll try to entertain you as possible. Okay? Entertain. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time for another discussion on the departmental rate. Until then, bye-bye.